Hello my friends, welcome to Accessorize Your Life. You know, where aging gracefully and accessorizing your life meet. I'm Julia. Today I have a quick video for you, at least I'm going to try to make it so. And I want to share it with you because I think it is exciting. I have not seen it myself, so it is a fresh off the truck to my doorstep to my beauty room video. So it is going to be an unbagging, if you will. I ordered it a few weeks ago, so it arrived. I just took the liberty to scratch out my information there. So let's get to it. While I'm getting into it, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and for everyone watching my videos. I appreciate that so very much. Also, for those of you who are subscribed and have been subscribed for a long time is what I'm trying to say. I appreciate you as well. You should know I try to show my gratitude and offer my thanks because, you know, I don't take any of it for granted. Boy, they really wrap this well. Even though it's in plastic, it's wrapped pretty well. Now I gotta tell you a little bit about this bag. I pre-ordered it, and I ordered it from a site called Runway Appeal. And I was looking for handbags designed by my fellow brothers and sisters, African American women or men, you know, women or men. You know what I mean. So I found some, but they were out of my price range, and then I stopped looking because I ran across this one, and I figured this will do me for a while. So this is not your average bag. Oh, it's wrapped very well. Let's get rid of this. It has the company name, the color, and it does not have the model number. You get this little bag. I guess this is supposed to be its dust bag. It's just a kind of a cheesecloth almost material, but here is the bag inside. Whoa, look at that. You can already tell it's different, right? That's what I was looking for, something different. Add to my collection. I'm feeling like I have enough. Well, I need one more tote, but I'm feeling like I have enough everyday bags. I wanted a couple of bags that I could wear out during the evening that weren't big, or if I wanted to wear them during the day, I could do that as well. Ta-da! Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, now that I have her unwrapped, let's take a look at her. Isn't she lovely? I think this is the cutest little bag, or one of the cutest little bags I now own. It is so different. I think it has that luxe look, a unique look, and a sophisticated look for anyone who likes classic, funky, stylish, trendy bags. It is the small size. It has a turn lock here that you lift up, and then you just open it up like so. I'll put my hand in and maybe you can get a better idea. So it can fit your billfold or wallet, your phone, whatever else you may want in there. And then, like I said, it closes up with a twist there. The handle right now, I think it's going to have to straighten itself out. I'm going to see how I can fix that, but this is how it should look. I'm sorry for all the stuff in the background, but I wanted to get this to you while I had time. Let's see, what else? The tag is on, but it has a silver piece here, which I do not like, but I can easily change that out because the hardware is all gold. It is a nice leather, a stiff, kind of structured leather that looks durable. Although it looks smooth, it may scratch, I don't know, but I'll have to just buff it out if it does. This is the Nina bag, and it is, I'm looking it up right here for you. It is carried by a couple of superstar ladies. Let's see if you can see that. Here's one, I forget her name. And I'll show you another one that you may recognize. Let's find her. One more, here it is. You may recognize her carrying this bag. She has it in a lovely green color that I would have loved to have had. Gorgeous. Meghan Markle. And this bag, let's see, let me read you something about it. It says it's not your average bag, and it came in several colors, but the three that are available is a red, a black, and I guess it's a beige or tone. Beige tone. Let's see what they're calling it. I'm looking. They're calling that one beige. I'm correct. So it comes in beige, black, and red. And there are two sizes. I have the small, and the handle is supposed to stand up, and I think mine will just have to get a little training there. Needs a little training. So it says again, it's not your average clutch. They're calling it a clutch. This funky Estella Nina handbag with a super unique shape comes in an array of colors, textures, and genuine leather. It has a structured top handle with a distinctive round pouch that gently unfolds from a turn-lock closure. This bag is stunning, and we think it really could become a classic handbag. So that's what they say about it. Here it is being styled. I can't wait to style it. There it is with the red and black. There it is sitting. Someone took a photo of theirs. And there it is again. A gorgeous little bag. Okay, I'm not going to keep you. I just wanted to show you what was on my doorstep. I didn't expect to get it so soon because it was a pre-order and it came from California. And then we're having all of this crazy weather. So, but it arrived and it is so adorable, guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.